Hello everyone, good evening. So already in the previous video we learned what is ChatGPT, then how the ChatGPT is going to work, and what are the some different versions of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tool. Okay, in this video we are going to learn how we are going to use ChatGPT by using the web browser. Okay, now let us start with the web browser, that is Google Chrome. First you launch the web browser Google Chrome. See, here there is a Google Chrome web browser. Double click on that. See, as soon as we click on to the web browser is going to be open. On address bar, just type www.chatgpt.com. www.chatgpt.com. Once you enter chatgpt.com, just you click on enter or search. The ChatGPT interface is going to be open. So now we are in the interface of ChatGPT. See, a very first time we are going to get welcome, and it is going to ask for login or sign up. See, for the first time we are using ChatGPT. Here we are going to sign up. See, for the first time if you are using, we are going to sign up for the free. Here, without paying any cost, we are going to sign up for the free ChatGPT. Okay, now once we sign up, see, once we sign up, for the next time there is no need to sign up again and again. Once we sign up for the one time, for the next time if you want to log into the ChatGPT, here we are going to use login by using our login credentials, that is username and the password. Username and passwords we are going to add by using the sign up option. Now let us sign up for the ChatGPT. Just click on to the sign up for free. As soon as we click on to the sign up button, here it is going to ask some of the options, that is whether we are going to log in or sign up to the Google account or Microsoft account or Apple phone, then or continue with phone. And there is option here you can also log into our email address. So here I am going to use Gmail address for sign up. Here I am going to give my Gmail account, that is confinity2 at gmail.com. Okay, then once I provide a Gmail account or email address, just click on next. Here it is going to ask for the password. See, here we are going to provide the password of the particular email address what we are going to given. Give a password. Once you provide the password, just click on next. Okay, just wait. Now here just we are going to create a ChatGPT account here by using our Gmail account. That is, here I have given Gmail account and I have created my password. Then once the password is created, just click on continue. See, after click on to the continue, just wait for a while. Then it is going to send one verification code to particular Gmail address. See, here I have given confinity2 the Gmail address, and one of the verification code from the ChatGPT website, we are going to get one of the verification code to particular email address what you have given. Now check your email, that is inbox, what you have provided the email address. There you are going to get one verification code. That verification code you have to enter here. Just okay. Now just you open the inbox of the email address what you have provided. In inbox you are going to get one verification code. I have received verification code, that is just I am going to enter here. Okay, I have provided the verification code. Once we provide the verification code, just click on continue. Now it is going to ask for some personal details for name, date of birth, all those things. Here we are going to fill the name and date of birth. Okay, once you provide the basic information, click on next and wait for a while. The ChatGPT account is going to be created now. Okay, here you can observe we are now ChatGPT interface. So, okay, now we have created successfully ChatGPT account now. So here you can see this is the interface of ChatGPT. From here we are going to start our AI journey, means with the ChatGPT. I hope you have understood how to log in and how to open ChatGPT account by using the web browser Google Chrome. If you not understand, you watch once again the video properly, then you will come to know how you are going to sign up and how we are going to make ready to use our ChatGPT. Okay, next video, how we are going to use ChatGPT by using some of the components of ChatGPT. Means components is nothing but the parts of the ChatGPT. Thank you.